Pretty disgusting black mold. What's up, guys? We got this 1988 BMW 325i. It's been sitting for about 2 years now, so it's full of mold. This car is not as moldy as the GTR, which once we get the seats out, we'll see more of it down on the floor there. We're going to scrub all the carpets, everything. We're going to make this car look as nice as we can. Smells like freaking rat piss. Floor mat underneath here. See all that white right there? That's all mold. Oh yeah, that's a pretty looking mat. Underneath is all black mold. Now I'm gonna pop these little tabs off and pull these seats out of here. Once the seats are out, then I'll be able to scrub all this carpet. Driver's back seat completely covered in mold. Pretty disgusting under the rear seat. Your side looks just like the driver's side, but if not worse. I am all finished up with the carpets. As you can see, they look a lot better. They're not perfect. You know, you can see some stains here and there. For a 1988, these carpets look a million times better. This was the worst spot. Now that I'm finished with the carpets, I'm going to get the whole interior wiped down because tonight I'm going to bomb it, so everything needs to be finished and cleaned. And that's going to kill all the rest of the mold or bacteria that's within the cracks or crevices anywhere in there. And it's going to give it a nice, good smell. Everything's finished on the inside. Now it's time to get the windows all up, close the doors, and bomb it. This is the BioBOMB that I'm going to be putting in the car. I just got to fill it up with water real quick, drop the tablet in it. Bomb here. Take the tablet and drop it in. Now that it's in there doing its thing, I'm going to head on out, and I'll be back in the morning to finish the rest of the detail by doing the seats, getting them back in the car, doing the windows, and I'll probably even wash it for free for her because actually it's got a lot of little mold in the cracks and crevices, so I'll see you in the morning. Well, it's morning and the bomb has done its thing. It has killed everything inside there and deodorized it. Now I'm going to get the seat scrubbed, put them back in there. For a 1988, most of it came out really nice, but you know, some stains have been there since 88, so they're not gonna come out. Got it as best as we can. I'm gonna wash the exterior, do the engine bay. Just got no time to film it. You know, if you guys like this, I'll catch you on the next detail. And clean up this mess. God dang it. Clean up this mess, because I'm a freaking mess, dude. I'm a mess. If I work on something, this is what it looks like. This right here is what it looks like.